First of all, we do initials, 23 initials, and these all are consonants. First I will say them and later I will explain their sounds for you one by one. And remember, their sounds are not same like English alphabets. Po, pho, pho, mo, de, th, n, l, k, h, h, ji, qi, xi, zhe, ch, sh, r, z, s, s, i, u. Okay, now we see their sounds. The first one is po. It is not B sound. It is po, like po in Polish. Po, pho, pho, mo. This is first line. I will say them again. Po, pho, pho, mo, po, pho, pho, mo. Second line. Here D. D has two sounds like da in English, but say it shortly. D. And second sound of D is ta. D is the, ta, the, ta. Next is th, like th in thanks. N, l. Okay, see this line again. The, th, n, l. Next G. G also have two sounds. K, like k in kite, and g in game. So the sounds for G: k, g, k, g, k, g. Next one is k, 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 h, h, k, h, h, k, h, h. Next three letters: chi, chi, xi. For saying these three letters, we have to spread our lips and have to say that a little long for 2 and 3 seconds. This is chi, 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 like chi in chicken, chicken, chi, 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 shi. But it is better if we try to say it s sound, s, shi, 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 ji, chi, shi. The next four letters: ch, 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 sh, sh, r, r, ch, ch, sh, r, z, s, s, z, z, s. Cats, s, s, cats, s, 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 school, s, school, s, s, z, s, s, z, s, s. The last two letters E and U. Y also have two sounds, E and G. E and G, and W also have two sounds, U, Vu, U and Vu. Let's see all alphabets again. Po, pho, pho, mo, de, th, n, l, k, h, h, ji, qi, xi, zhe, ch, sh, r, z, s, i, u,